Hello, my friend. Welcome to MetaMind Meditation, a channel bringing you peace and wellness through guided meditations, sleep meditations, and practical tips for living a more fulfilling life. This guided meditation will be 10 minutes of gently scanning the body for pains or discomfort. This will make us aware of anything not quite right and allow us to take action to remedy it before it becomes a bigger problem. Place yourself in a seated position. Relax and inhale slowly and deeply. Allow the eyelids to close or remain slightly open, whichever is more comfortable to you. Draw your attention to your mind and your brain. Let a sense of easy, playful curiosity fill that space inside your cranium. Think of it as a warm, glowing light, like a tiny sun all your own. We're going to lead this light around and through the body, and we're going to ask the body to show us anything that needs attention. If it needs to tell you something, you will feel it. Take note as we move along so you can return to it at the end. Guide this sun to your scalp. Follow it to your forehead and feel your brow relax. The light hovers over your eyes, your nose, your lips, your chin. It moves into your mouth now. Notice your tongue, your gums, your teeth, your jaws relaxing. Feel the light searching your ears and the back of your head. The sun begins slowly descending your throat. You feel a calm warmth as it flows into your chest, all the while casting a warm light on the esophagus, the tonsils, and the thyroid. It is resting now with your heart. Notice your heart beating steadily. The light is now with the lungs, watching them slowly expand and contract with each breath. Imagine this light traveling to the left shoulder, down the left arm to the elbow, and from there down to the left wrist, hand, and fingers. Trace the light now to the right shoulder. Follow it down to the right elbow, and now down to the right wrist, hand, and fingers. Feel the orb of light retrace itself back to your heart. Pause here for a moment to feel your heartbeat. It is now following the esophagus again, past the diaphragm into the stomach. The light is pulsing gently as it moves to the liver, kidneys, and gallbladder. It slowly follows through the intestines to the colon. The sun is now checking the reproductive organs and the hips. Imagine the light drifting through the left leg to the left knee, further down to the left ankle, foot, and toes. It climbs back up the left leg and moves to the right leg. Feel it gently sink to the right knee, now down to the right ankle, foot, and toes. Now the sun is circling your legs as it moves up to the base of your spine. Feel it moving up your spinal column like a warm liquid filling a tall glass. When it reaches the top of your spine at the neck, you notice the sun returning to and resting gently with your heart. Now, allow the sun to orbit your body and draw your attention back to the places that wish to call out to you. Let the light linger in those places and consciously send love there. If you do not sense anything amiss, delight in the joy of a healthy and able body. Let's spend a couple moments with this light, seeing if it has anything extra to tell us. the sun now back to your heart. Think these words through your heart to your body. Dear body, thank you for carrying me. You work tirelessly so that my soul has a place to dwell while I am on this plane. Thank you for your strengths and sensitivities. You are my friend and ally. I honor you and promise to take care of you as you have taken care of me. Thank you for sharing your wisdom with me. I love you. Let's begin to return. Take one last deep breath and begin slowly moving your body, your arms, your legs, your head and neck. Gently begin to open your eyes. As you go about your day, be mindful of your body and send it love. I hope you have such a wonderful day. Peace and light upon your beautiful soul, forever and always.